Hey guys, what's up? I woke up early in the morning today to come get in line to the Gamestop for the Hot Wheel event. Got a few Hot Wheels, got my ticket, and let me show you guys what I got so far. I'm gonna get back to line and get more, but I got the 2018 Camaro. As you guys know, I'm a huge Camaro collector and a Batmobile collector, so I got the chrome Batmobile and this Camaro. Unfortunately, there was no Super in my case, or regular Treasure Hunt, or even the basic 4GT, which I was after, but it's okay, because I got this 96 Porsche right here, black, really nice. Got the 98 Subaru. There was a few gentlemen in front of me or in back of me who asking me to trade those. I am not going to trade those, guys. And then the 89 Porsche right here, red. Those are the 5 that I have so far. I have my girlfriend's actually in line to get some right now, so I'm gonna wait to see what she will come out with. And this is what came with the case. Let me keep. There you go. This is for the exclusive that you can do. If you buy 20, you mail it in, you get this car right here. So let's see what my girlfriend got. Here it is, guys. Let's see what we can find. There's no 4GT.
I see something pink.
You want the wheelie? Yeah, at least you got the regular Treasure Hunt. Here's the Ford. Alright. It's not the Super, but...
I've seen everyone come out with the camel car.
You want the camel car?
I don't know, everyone.
This one? Well, because it's a GameStop exclusive. You want it?
Yes. Do you have it?
No, I don't have one. And then it's these.
Oh,
I have that one. I have that one.
By the way, you guys, this is Vicky's girlfriend recording.
See if they need any. This is another exclusive, but I don't know if we're taking that one. Let's see. I don't know, but that's not the one that I want.
The big 5, just the first time I first looked at the box, and then everybody after that pick a box.
I was the last person to get a box.
Nice shifter, carbonator.
Once we get to the first people that were here, then
My partner.
Oh, sweet.
Ooh, that one's cool.
That might be that one. That one might be the winner. You got the regular Treasure Hunt, the basic 4GT, and no Super.
Ooh, I like this one. Do you have this one?
No, but I don't know if I get that one.
Huh?
Nissan Skyline. It has to be between these two. So we'll do, which one do you want?
Wait, then we can put back the pink one.
Wait, you can't. Well, it's only 5.
Yeah, I know, we can put this one back.
So these two?
Wait, I like the white one.
So then we'll get somewhere else. Nissan Skyline.
That's it, you guys.
We got the Nissan Skyline. Hey guys, so I'm back from GameStop with my bag full of goodies here. I want to show you guys. And then I also made another stop at another GameStop on the way home. And I was able to pick up a few more. These are the ones that I picked up at the second GameStop. The BMW K1300R. Oh, that's nice. And this is like a GameStop exclusive. The 2005 Ford Mustang with the 2 different color rims. And then these are the ones that were in the other video. The 4GT, the 68 Chevy Nova. I picked up another regular Treasure Hunt, the Mercedes-Benz. There's a second one. The nice shifter. And then we switched out the tune one for the custom 71L Camaro. Figured this one would be a better pick than the tuned one. Find the tuned one some other day. And these were the first ones that I showed you. The Nissan Skyline, the Batmobile, the Porsche, Camaro. And then the one that everybody was after too was the Subaru. And then the Porsche. And then, yeah, of course, the little thing showing you the GameStop exclusive. I will not be taking part of that though. And these are all the cars that I picked up at GameStop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, and turn your notifications on for future videos. Thank you.